Airwallex has rapidly become one of the top choices for businesses managing international payments, and remote teams are seeing the benefits firsthand. Airwallex is designed to simplify global finance, allowing companies to manage multiple currencies, make payments, and receive money internationally without the usual complexity or high fees. For remote teams, this is a game changer. With Airwallex, companies can hold and manage accounts in multiple currencies. This means remote employees in Europe, Asia, or the Americas can receive payments in their local currency, reducing conversion costs and delays. Traditional banks often charge high fees for international transfers, sometimes up to $50 per transaction. Airwallex significantly reduces these costs, with rates often up to 90% cheaper than standard banks. Airwallex also provides a multi-currency corporate card, enabling remote teams to spend globally without excessive foreign transaction fees. Expenses can be tracked in real time, simplifying accounting and reducing administrative work. Teams can set budgets for individual employees or departments, ensuring better control over company spending. Another key feature is seamless integration with major accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, and NetSuite. This integration automates reconciliation and reporting, saving hours of manual work. For remote-first companies, this means finance teams can manage everything from anywhere without relying on physical banking processes. Security is a priority. Airwallex is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, and transactions are protected with industry-standard encryption. This gives businesses peace of mind when handling sensitive financial data across borders. For remote teams, Airwallex delivers efficiency, transparency, and cost savings. Companies can pay contractors, manage multiple currencies, and streamline financial operations from a single platform. For businesses operating globally, it eliminates the usual friction of international payments and provides a unified financial solution that scales with the team's growth. Airwallex is not just a payment platform, it's a tool for building a truly global and connected remote workforce.